Welcome to Grandpa D Cooking Vlogs. In today's episode, we will show you an amazing gift from a dear friend who lives in New York City. We will unbox this present and see for yourself how smart and exciting this most wanted cooking device is. We will do a little test to see if it is operational, and then we will cook with this gadget a favorite dish that is finger-licking good. Nowadays, this is the most sought-after home appliance, an Instant Pot multi-cooker. This model is a 6-quart Duo Crisp plus air fryer. It can pressure cook, air fry, roast, bake, saute, and more. 11 functions in one pot. It's the ultimate cooking machine, a real winner. We will do a simple water test to check if this unit works. Press the saute button to preheat the pot. After a few minutes, pour 2 cups of water into the pot liner. Because it was preheated, the pot is ready to pressurize. Close the lid and pressure cook for 5 minutes. When the pressure is on, the float valve will pop up to seal the pot. After 5 minutes, pressure may be released by pressing the release button. When the float valve drops, the lid can be opened. There you go! This Instant Pot works and ready for its baptism of fire. We start preparing our pork baby back ribs by removing the membrane. Without the membrane, the meat will be more tender and flavorful. We season the meat with a dry rub of your choice, or just plain salt and pepper if you wish. We put 2 cups of water into the pot liner. Then arrange the ribs on the trivet. Close the lid, press the pressure cook button, and set the time for 25 minutes. You may quick release the pressure or wait 5 more minutes before releasing the total pressure. Wait for the pin to drop before opening the lid. Put the ribs aside and discard the liquid from the liner. Arrange the ribs in the fryer basket. Cover the pot with the air fryer lid. Select the air fryer button and set the time to 8 minutes. Open the lid and check the ribs if done. Ribs look brown and crispy and ready. Gutom na ba kayo? Kain na! Come and get it! If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified for upcoming videos. Your comments and suggestions are most welcome.